Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the update won't fail. Plug in power and back up important files to an external drive or cloud. Next, open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Windows Update to check for available updates. This step initiates download and shows size and restart requirements, knowing that helps you plan. Once download begins, you can continue other tasks, but make sure heavy apps are closed, so installation can run without conflicts. You watch the download and then start installation. Monitor progress because large cumulative updates can take 20-60 minutes. Close third-party apps and save documents. Installers may require exclusive file access, which avoids corruption. If you need uptime, set active hours or schedule the restart to a convenient time. This prevents unexpected reboots. During installation, the system may restart multiple times. That's normal because Windows applies changes in stages to update system files. You complete the process by verifying update history in Settings to confirm success and note any error codes. If something goes wrong, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter and reboot. These resolve many conflicts by clearing caches and reapplying updates. Make sure you have at least 10-20% free disk space. If drivers break hardware, roll back or update specific drivers from Device Manager. Finally, check system stability and restore your backup only if files are missing or corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.